Excuse me guys, my lunch break. I need to spend my time wisely by eating an apple. Okay, hang on. Oh, while you're waiting, you can actually watch this guy next to me sleeping in his car. It's funny, isn't it? He just got to his car and winded down both windows, and then he reclined the seat all the way back. And he's sleeping. They're resting there. I mean, fair enough. Some people are making videos during their lunch break, and some people are just resting and recovering from the morning. That's totally fine. That must be full of apples already in there. Yes, I do this twice every lunch break. Okay, here's the deal. I remember this video I made on the 2nd or 3rd of April, which wasn't the fake April Fool's video. And I need your help, of course. I will probably do another separate video about, because I need your help. I need someone with design capabilities of you. I hope someone is a illustrator, a designer or something, advertising, marketing experience, whatever. So I'll do a separate video about this, a very short one, I promise. I said I would need a designer or an illustrator or someone which design. Okay, here's the deal. What I need is, okay, here it is. See this crappy logo, company logo shield? Okay, this looks really shitty now. It's all smeared up here and everything, so it's not suitable for putting it into videos anymore. I need someone to make me a new one. And I actually have, we will measure this one now. As you can see, I've already made a little black mark over there. That's exactly where the pocket ends. Yeah, so that's the area we need to cover with something. And I don't know what it is. It could be something funny, or could be just a word or 2 words or something on there. It might be unplugged EV or something. It doesn't have to be. It can be everything, but it should be related to electric vehicles or something. I'm not very creative so I would like you, the viewers, to take up this opportunity and make me a company logo shield cover design, which I just print out then at home on color printer and glue it on top of this one here, and then we all can enjoy this new logo here. I obviously will mention your name if you like to, and your company if you have one, and make this all public and see what logo thingy you come up. So it's not like a competition thingy or whatever, but I would like to have a couple of designs to choose from and see which one is actually the best. And yeah, let's go from there. Probably we put this on. I probably can put all the designs into another video, and then you, the viewers, vote for it, because you need to watch this then. I can't see it. Yeah. Okay, got my little tape measure here. Yeah, this looks really... I made this actually within a couple of minutes in my lunch break months ago. So this is around 9.8 centimeters wide, and the height is, let's say, 8 centimeters. So 9.8 wide and 8 centimeters high. Don't worry about the corners, I'll cut them out. That's fine then. If you want to come up with some design, if you want to come up with some design ideas for that would be much appreciated, because this one looks really like now. I don't know, maybe it was raining or something, or I had wet fingers from eating an apple or something and I smeared over it. We need a new one. Okay, get creative. How do you get back to me? Oh yeah, there's my email address is in YouTube actually, so if you want to click on about in my channel, there will be the email address. You can email it to. Put all your details in there and email it as a PDF or Word document, whatever you have. Doesn't matter. JPEG. could be everything. So 9.8 by 8 centimeters. This is that much in inch. Okay, I'm keen to see your designs. Alright, thank you very much for helping me out. See you in the next video. Bye. And this guy is still sleeping.